Well, hello everyone. I'm here with my buddy Brandon. We're gonna go on a nature walk. Brandon?
Pretty neat.
Yeah, we're here by this big old tree right here. And you know how you could tell it's a tree?
How?
I don't know, Brandon.
It had leaves on it. That's pretty neat.
It is.
Hey, look it. Got some berries here. I'm gonna try one. That was horrible.
That's pretty neat, Brandon, because those berries are poisonous. We're out on our nature walk today. Brandon, look what we found.
What?
I don't know, Brandon. We found a circus.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
I think we belong in the circus, Brandon. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. Pretty
It's a
neat.
circus. We might end up in the rink.
Yeah. Pretty neat.
Let's go out and check it out.
Pretty neat.
Whoa. We better get out of here.
Pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
There we go, on Nature Walk. That's pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.